Student, now we are going to solve exercise 6.3 class 9 general maths question number 1. As you can see in the video, there is a diagram of question number 1 figure 6.39. Side QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T respectively. QP produced to S and QR produced to T. If angle SPR, this angle equal to 135 degree, and PQT this angle equal to 110 degree, we have to find out that angle PRQ this angle we have to find out. So students, let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number 1 6.3. Now student, as you can see in the video, the diagram of question number 6.3, sorry, exercise 6.3 question number 1, the given part I have written from book. Side QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to points S and T respectively if SP are equal to 135 degree and PQT equal to 110 degree. To find, which means we have to find this angle PQR, this angle we have to find out. So students, let's have a look how to solve this one. This is the given and to find portion. Now the solution, I will start now here. Solution. Look student, first of all, TQR is a straight line. TQR, if it is a straight line, then angle TQP and PQR, this equal to linear pair. So here I can write that since TQR is a straight line, now look after that student. Here if it is do so, value of the straight line is what? Value of the straight line is 180 degree. So angle TQR is equal to 180 degree. Now look, that is two part, TQP and PQR. So if it is a straight line, so angle TQR this equal to 180 degree. Why? Reason is straight line. Now look student, after that TQR is in two part, TQP, here I am writing that TQP plus PQR, angle PQR this equal to also 180 degree, and now this is linear pair actually, TQP or PQT. In the question it is given PQT, if I write TQP also correct, nothing wrong. So here it is linear pair. Now look student, after that we'll just put down here the value of PQT value is given here 110 degree, and there is PQR equal to 180 degree. We'll write down here since angle PQT this equal to 110 degree given. We'll write down here given portion. Now look here student, if I go for the cancellation, so PQR this equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Now what will be the answer here? PQR this equal to 70 degree. So student, this angle PQR this angle equal to 70 degree. Now student, look once into the diagram again. QP is produced to S. So in triangle PQR, this portion is the exterior angle. Where is written as 135? This portion is the exterior angle. And we know that according to the theorem 6.8, exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angle. If it is exterior, then its opposite is PQR plus PRQ, sum of these two interior angle. I repeat again, exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angle. This is our theorem 6.8. So we will apply that for theorem here now in this portion. So first of all, students, we'll write down PQ extend to S of triangle PQR. Look student, I am writing now here that since the side PQ of triangle PQR is produced to S. Therefore, look here now student, into the diagram again. Look here now. If it is produced to S, which means this is the exterior angle, so we'll write down here exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite to interior angle. This is the theorem of 6.8. We'll write down here now exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Now look after that student, now look here, SPR, this is the exterior angle SPR, this equal to the opposite to interior means PQR plus PRQ. We'll write down here now after that according to the theorem 6.8. so we'll write down here, therefore angle SPR this equal to angle PQR plus PRQ. This one according to this sentence, or you can say that 6.8 theorem. Now look, what is the value of SPR given here? Value of SPR is 135 degree, and PQR, value of PQR is 70. We'll write down here 70, and PRQ we have to find out. Now look, we'll just take 70 on that side, it become minus, so 135 degree minus 70 degree equal to PRQ. Now look after that, so after subtracting, answer would be here PRQ is 65 degree equal to angle PRQ. This is the answer which we have to find out in this question. Student, one thing we can use here, that here I have written 70, so we'll write down here, since angle PQR equal to 70 degree, already given here.